tomorrow playing video. Or just Mopar. Mopar video.
Mopar. I think I've seen that fucking track somewhere.
Yeah. Is it not chewy?
Oh my god.
Hmm?
That's all we're doing. How good is this recording?
It's still on. But I think his is way, it needs to be like more like this.
Where's mine too? I don't know. Go over there.
I think it's
we just kind of crashed this, bro.
I know.
We're here recording. Hey, this is going. Adrian's gonna be entertained, right?
Adrian is gonna fucking buy us anything we want to like to do this.
We want blue in here, bro. We need a Adrianito's blue, bro.
Dude, I wish, bro. I wish.
If we had all three.
Take a picture, bro, and send it. Be like, hey man, what the fuck were you at? Boy, white and blue. Wait, what are the odds, wait? Yeah, you're right.
you kind of fucked it up though. You should have put red over here and like.
I'm gonna send this shit to our Adrianito. I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Oh shit.
I'm like, where were you at, bro? It was red, white, and blue there, man.
Let me walk around.
Got married.
It has the stuff for it.
I thought it's just, but that's E, right?
Yeah, I'm the only one with trash shit.
Huh?
I introduced myself. My name is JC. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I got an Instagram. It's at Scat EV.
Did you just get those EVs or?
I've had it. Yeah, I got you. I've had it for. Nah, I probably have like maybe like 4 or 5 months. Almost everything.
Yep.
I just got it. Yeah, I got it.
Fixed it up.
I got it last week.
How does the charge get on it? Pretty good, or is it drain a lot? It drains a lot?
Like it'll do 250 max.
Oh, so
So then you like throw it in like in drag or in track, and it goes down from like 250 to like 160.
Oh, it was.
So like, and right now, then
This one's mine right here. You guys just took a picture. Just see. That's my Instagram on Facebook is JC Mopar Go. So I'm just gonna drop a picture of it. I'll probably drop like maybe within the next few days, like
okay, bet.
when all the pictures and videos, I'll go ahead and drop them.
That's a lot of money.
Okay, bet.
I know you guys probably in a hurry, so I'm about to get those rollers for you guys another day.
No, yeah, for sure, 100%. All right, let's do that.
But yeah, we can do something soon after San Benito, and we can make it happen.
No, yeah, for sure. We'll get on. That way, not that far.
All right,
All right, thank you.
Mucho gusto. Thank you guys for the card.